Hi guys, it's me Teacher Gon. In today's video, we will talk about the parallel lines cut by transversal. In this whole video, we will try to calculate for the missing angles in a given two parallel lines that are cut by transversal. So without further ado, let's do this topic. For the first activity, what we have here is we need to find the measures of all angles if the measure of angle 2 is equal to 126 degrees. As you can see, we are given two parallel lines, and this is your transversal line. And since the transversal cut the two parallel lines, it formed 8 different angles. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And what we have here is the only measurement of angle 2, which is 126 degrees. So this one is 126 degrees. Now, our main task here is to find the 7 remaining angles. So the question here, how are we going to solve or to find out the measurement of the remaining angles? So the trick here, or the idea here, is just remember the different angle pairs that you have in geometry. First, if you want to calculate for angle 1, you need to be mindful of what kind of angle pairs do we have if we have angle 1 and angle 2. As you can see, they are forming a linear pair. So the idea is that they are supplementary, meaning to get the value of angle 1, we need to subtract 126 from 180 degrees because of supplementary angles. So we have 180 minus 126 degrees. And subtracting these two angles, your angle 1 is simply equal to 54 degrees. And this is your angle 1, 54 degrees. Now let's move on with the other angles. Now sir, what about angle 3 and angle 4? In angle 3, you can pair up 3 and 2, but the easiest way is to consider that angle 1 and angle 3 are vertical angles. Remember, if the angles are vertical, meaning they are congruent. If this is 54, angle 3 is also 54 degrees. Yes, sir, what about angle number 4? Your angle 4 is vertical to angle 2, meaning this is also 126 degrees. So we have angle 1 is 54 degrees, your angle 2, which is 126 degrees, your angle 3 is equal to 54 degrees, your angle 4 is equal to 126 degrees. Now, what about the another 4 angles, 5, 6, 7, and 8? Let's continue. Now, in this case, if you want to calculate for angle 5 is equal to angle 1. What is the reason? The reason is that they are corresponding angles. And remember, corresponding angles are congruent. This is 54 degrees. So your angle 5 is 54 degrees. Another reason why is that angle 5 is 54, if you will pair up it with angle 2, these two angles are same side interior angles. And same side interior angles are supplementary. And as you can see, when you add them, that is equal to 180 degrees. Okay? Now, what about angle 6? Angle 6 is corresponding to angle 2, meaning this is 126 degrees. So your angle 6 is 126 degrees. And another reason why this one is angle 6 is 126 is simply because if you will pair up 6 with angle 4, they are alternate exterior angles, and alternate exterior angles are congruent. Okay, now let's find out 7 and 8. We will use the concept of vertical angles. Angle 7 is vertical to angle 5, meaning this is 54 degrees. Angle 7 is 54 degrees. What about angle 8? This one is 126 degrees. So I hope guys, in our first example, you already grabbed or grasped the different concepts or different pairs of angles to solve this entire problem. This 126 degrees. Now let's continue with the next set of examples. So what we have here is this. It says here, find the measure of each indicated angle. So we have 4 different sets of problems, and we need to solve for the missing angles in this given set. Example, in this set, this angle is 110, and this is the missing angle. Now, to solve this, you need to know or remember what kind of angle pair are they. This angle and this angle are both alternate exterior angles. Remember earlier, sabi ko, alternate exterior angles are congruent, meaning this one is 100 degrees. Okay? Sir, what about this problem? For this problem, 84, and this is the angle. This angle and this angle are both alternate interior angles. Dito, alternate exterior, they are congruent. This time, congruent din sila. If this is 84, this one is also 84 because they are alternate interior angles. Now let's continue with this set. As you can see, we have 125 and this is the missing angle. So as you can see, same pattern, alternate interior angles, meaning this one is also 125 degrees. And let's have the last problem. For the last problem, this one is also alternate exterior angle. This is 47 degrees, and this is the question mark. This is 47 degrees. So for your assignment, guys, I will give you this problem. This is your transversal. These are the two parallel lines. So I hope na makita nyo they are parallel. I want you to find out this angle. If this angle measures 110 degrees. I hope guys makita ko sa ating comment section what is the measurement of this angle. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe at i-hit mo na rin yung bell button for you to be updated sa ating latest uploads. And make sure to share this video with your friends or classmates who are in need of this tutorial. So I hope guys you learned something from this video. Again, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're new to my channel, hit the thumbs up button. And it's me, Teacher Gon. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye!